He is definitely, I want to see if he goes through there and gets any cat food. I don't know what he's hiding. He might just be hiding nuts. He's big enough for him to crawl in.
Where is he?
Shh, be quiet. I'll bet you he's hiding that cat.
Dude, he's got it all up in his mouth. Look at it. He's got so much of it in his mouth right now. He's eating something.
Let's see if he goes back to the bowl. No, he's going to go up the tree. Well, maybe he's hiding nuts.
I don't know what he's doing.
I was like, oh Lord, I put that bowl out there.